Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Eric Fisher. Nice day out there. Temperatures well up into the 40s for most of us. Some milder air across much of the country, and we'll get a taste of that for our first day of spring on Route 4 tomorrow. But tonight will be another chilly night. Again, dry air, mainly clear skies. Temperatures allowed to fall back into the 20s for most of the region. Bright sunshine tomorrow morning. Our sunrise is at 6:48, and we'll see a stronger rebound tomorrow afternoon. Above 50 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds. Not too much wind out there, and a sea breeze possible at the coast, which will keep temperatures largely in the 40s from Cape Ann and the seacoast down through Boston and Cape Cod. Once you head away from the water into the 50s, should be a very pleasant first day of spring. Then we head to our next storm system, and it's a little bit slower, so Thursday looks mainly dry. Clouds will be thickening, the showers arriving later on in the day, and then our steadiest rainfall looks to be in the middle of the night as an area of low pressure comes right up over the top of us. Some of that steady rain will be likely into the morning and on Friday, and then it turns just unsettled as we end of Friday afternoon. Scattered rain showers for most of the region, turning over to a chance of scattered snow showers as we head into Friday night, especially for interior areas. Rainfall looks to be a ½ inch to an inch and a half across the area. And in terms of tides, we'll be watching the onshore winds. They don't look particularly strong right now, but we already have very high water levels with the full moon. That's tomorrow. So we'll be talking about at least minor coastal flooding. Watching both the Thursday afternoon tide and the one that's just after midnight, Thursday night into Friday. Both of those could produce some minor flooding issues. Very unsettled for Friday afternoon into Friday night. The energy of the storm will be rotating down across New England. Best chance for some snowflakes here locally would be Friday night into Saturday morning, especially Worcester County and up into southern New Hampshire. Very windy, very chilly on Saturday. And then we'll see a big change for Sunday as milder air swoops back into the region. So here's the full 7-day. It's a little all over the place. High of around 50 on Thursday and some low 50s on Friday. The wind picking up in the afternoon. 40s on Saturday, but it will feel a lot colder because of that strong wind. And then on Sunday, we have a chance of hitting 60 before a strong front comes down on Monday, which could start mild but end with a chance of some snow in the area, if you can believe that. A chilly Tuesday follows.